Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization HITO Eastern Zone Ribhoi District had submitted a memorandum today, the 30th of August 2022, to the Sub Divisional Officer of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL Umiam on the problems faced by residents of Ri Bhoi due to frequent power cuts in the area. Speaking to reporters, the President of HITO Eastern Zone Ribhoi District, Will Starsun, while being accompanied by Assistant Secretary Riwastar Shadab and Legal Secretary HITO Central Body Shanya S. Nongrum, informed that residents of areas like Umroi, Bhoirambong, Umpowin, Kerdem, Maulasnai, Thatrang and Terso under Ri Bhoi District, who have been experiencing frequent power cuts and fluctuation of electricity, have been facing a lot of problems, especially as far as industrial and business activities are concerned. He added, while such activities take place during the day are being affected, yet a greater impact is on the student community who would continue with their homework and studies during the evening. The president of the organization Eastern Zone therefore urged upon the authorities concerned to take this matter into immediate consideration and to address the issue at the earliest in order to ease inconvenience faced by the people of the area.
Janmit banwana kenduk SDO halor kajing bom biang naka borlat ka light elektrik apo jong ka than bat ka dong bangi ngisa ka Eastern Ribhoi kumta nakalyang jongi ngiwan ban bu ya ka dorkas bat banyo ban peni bat persngo hi halor kajing duna ka jing lip light ke bakha kha ka jing red jong kalat bat shu dan du dai jong ki transformer ki bombiang bombet shu ke kumta nakalyang jongi kum ka seng iwan hakanika banyak kendu ya SDO bat nakalyang jong iru asoy ban ong ban ai kublai i ba ila kubur ban yarap lem ban bet pendiang ban pech kat kabor ba idon bat kumju ru kerpat sigibor ki bahalor bakin snow bakin syam lang ikanika benta banirap lam yangi hakite ki than baki dong ki banging sa nadu naka umroy bhoirambong ki umpowen bat ter syakmat bat shu ru kajing ke ba ning ya kendu kolong hakalyang jong ka business mentang la penyat bun ka di bor elektrik bat kumju ru ha bede baki kena school ni mesngi lek bela bat menmet ki kena skol ki sedang ya kaban boleh ki kot ki jungki tekum tangi kerpat syak pi baro ki badai pech phang jongkani ba pen smobha ban sim ya ki jingket klik bat sim khia ha ka bede ba kane ka dorkhas ka bangi wan bu